Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into a nutritional powerhouse that's been nourishing populations for centuries, millets. These tiny grains pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits, especially for women. Stay tuned as we unlock the incredible potential of millets and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet for a healthier, happier you. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes millets such a nutritional all-star. These little grains are jam-packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. We're talking about a good dose of iron, crucial for healthy blood and preventing fatigue. Millets are also a fantastic source of magnesium, vital for over 300 bodily functions, from regulating blood pressure to keeping our bones strong. And let's not forget about phosphorus and potassium, which help maintain bone health and prevent muscle cramps. With this impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder millets have earned the reputation of being a nutritional powerhouse. Now let's talk about something that's often on our minds. Weight management. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to support a healthy weight, millets are your new best friend. One of the reasons millets are so great for weight management is their high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in keeping us feeling full and satisfied after a meal. Millets are particularly rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water in our digestive tract and forms a gel-like substance. This gel slows down digestion, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar that can lead to energy crashes and increased fat storage. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, millets help curb cravings and keep you feeling energized for longer. This makes them an excellent choice for those watching their weight or simply looking for healthier carbohydrate options. Let's move on to another important aspect of our well-being: digestion. A healthy gut is essential for overall health, and millets can play a significant role in keeping your digestive system running smoothly. As we discussed earlier, millets are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria that reside in our intestines. These good bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, linked to a strong immune system and improved nutrient absorption. So, if you're looking to improve your digestion and enhance your gut health, adding millets to your diet is a wise choice. Speaking of a strong immune system, millets are packed with vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in supporting our body's natural defenses. We already touched on the importance of antioxidants, and millets are a good source of these powerful compounds. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting our body from oxidative stress, linked to premature aging and chronic diseases. Millets are also a good source of vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense against infections. In addition to antioxidants, millets provide us with zinc, essential for the development and function of immune cells. By providing our body with these immune-boosting nutrients, millets help strengthen our defenses and reduce our susceptibility to infections. Now, let's talk about a health concern that affects millions of people worldwide: blood sugar control. Millets, with their unique nutritional profile, can be a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels, especially for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. One of the key reasons millets are so beneficial for blood sugar control is their low glycemic index. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar rather than a rapid spike. This slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream helps keep your energy levels stable and prevents those energy crashes that can derail your day. In addition to their low glycemic index, millets are also a good source of magnesium, which helps improve insulin sensitivity. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life, and millets can play a supportive role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Their unique combination of nutrients makes them a heart-healthy choice that can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Millets are a good source of soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This helps reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. Millets are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps counter the negative effects of sodium on blood pressure. Potassium helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Furthermore, millets are a good source of magnesium, which helps regulate heart rhythm and maintain healthy blood pressure. Let's face it, healthy, glowing skin is something we all desire. While topical skincare products play a role, true radiance starts from within. And guess what? Millets can give your skin a healthy boost from the inside out. Millets are particularly rich in an antioxidant called quercetin, which has been shown to protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Quercetin also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Another way millets support skin health is through their iron content, essential for the production of collagen, a protein that gives our skin its strength and elasticity. By ensuring adequate iron intake, we can support collagen production and maintain youthful-looking skin. Feeling sluggish and low on energy? Millets to the rescue. These tiny grains are a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates, providing a sustained release of energy that will keep you going strong throughout the day. Unlike simple carbohydrates found in processed foods and sugary drinks, which cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, complex carbohydrates like those found in millets are digested and absorbed more slowly. This provides a steady stream of energy to your brain and muscles, preventing those energy slumps that can derail your productivity. Millets are also a good source of iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in energy production. Iron is a component of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Furthermore, millets contain B vitamins, which are essential for converting food into energy. While more research is always welcome, some studies suggest that millets may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. This potential protective effect is attributed to their rich antioxidant content and other beneficial compounds. For instance, millets contain lignans, plant compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer and prostate cancer. In addition to lignans, millets provide us with fiber, which has been associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber adds bulk to our stool and helps speed up the transit time of food through the digestive tract, reducing the amount of time harmful substances spend in contact with the colon. Furthermore, millets' antioxidant content, particularly their quercetin content, may contribute to their potential cancer protective effects. As women, we're particularly susceptible to bone loss as we age, making it crucial to prioritize bone health throughout our lives. Millets, with their impressive nutrient profile, can be a valuable ally in maintaining strong and healthy bones. One of the key nutrients millets provide for bone health is calcium, essential for bone density and strength, helping prevent osteoporosis. Millets are also a good source of magnesium, which helps the body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Furthermore, millets contain phosphorus, a mineral that works in conjunction with calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Phosphorus is also involved in energy production and cell signaling, making it essential for overall health. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of millets and their remarkable health benefits, especially for women. From boosting energy and supporting weight management to promoting heart health and enhancing skin radiance, millets are a true nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating millets into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them as a porridge for breakfast, a hearty side dish for lunch or dinner, or even as a base for salads. So embrace the power of millets and experience the transformative benefits they can have on your health and well-being.